Alright, welcome back to the WordPress videos here. And what I want to do now is I want to talk to you about the difference. When you do have, in your WordPress blog, you have several different choices. Like you have pages, okay, which this right here, this sample page, this is an example of a page. You have pages, and then you also have posts, okay, like this hello world right here is a post. And you do create them differently, and they do serve different functions. For one thing, a lot of times a page is going to go ahead and show up on this menu right here. This is just a standard menu that's on WordPress. But you can see if we go over, like I'm going to go over to our dashboard, and I click on page, and then if I click on add new, I'm going to just name this a new page. Okay. And this page has all kinds of good content. Pictures, links, and other goodies. Okay, and then when I go ahead and I do have a couple things. I could say that this is basically a child of the first page that's out there, which is the sample page, but this isn't. And then I can choose also a couple different pages. I can use a sidebar template, the default template, or the sidebar template. The sidebar is going to show a sidebar on the side. So for right now, I'm going to just choose a sidebar template, and then I'm going to click on publish. Okay, and when we refresh this page, you can see now that this new page has shown up on the menu right here. Okay, and over here there's a sidebar so that we have all kinds of widget areas and whatnot. You can see this sample page that was defaulted and it wasn't using the sidebar, but this new page that I created, it is using the sidebar. And in a video later on, I'm going to show you how we can go ahead and clean all this up over on the side. But as you can see, a page is going to show up on this window or on this menu right here. Now, I'm going to go over to posts, and I'm going to add a new post, and I'm going to just call this a new post. Okay, and with this right here, it's saying what kind of page or what kind of post am I making here? Is it an aside? Is it a link? Is it standard? Is it a gallery post? A gallery would generally have all kinds of images in it. Is it an image post? Is it a quote? For this, it's just a standard post. So I'm going to just go ahead and click publish. And then when I refresh this, we'll go to the home page. You can see that even though we made the new post, it didn't show up on this menu bar. Like I said, pretty much only pages are going to show up here, unless you tell WordPress to put a post up there, but your posts are going to be over here on the side. You click on new post, and as you can see, this is the post that we just created. So that's the difference between posts and pages. To create them, you just go from right here on this dashboard over on the left. If we want a new post, we can just click on the add new. You can also add new up there. Posts are generally like, one good way to look at it is posts are constantly updated, and you usually add more posts to a website, but generally once you've built your site and you have all your pages laid out, generally the pages don't change too much. You're not constantly adding new pages, a lot of times anyway. But to create the new post, you just go to post, add new, and then for pages, you just click on pages, and then from here you can add new. Okay? I will see you in the next video.